With the soft 8, what we're going to do is we're going to install the small ring side on the side which you're not climbing on, and we're going to install the big ring side on the side which you are climbing on. So I'm just going to open this up. And this is a little bit of a squeeze through the quick links, but it's not too bad. And just for reference, this is 11.7mm Donaghy's Cougar Blue. And then obviously we've got this, I think this is maybe, I think they call this 3 or 4 action openable, because with this slick pin, it's got multiple locking tabs on it. Now what I'm going to do is, because this is going to choke up onto the limb, we're going to tie an Alpine Butterfly stopper knot. I'm just going to adjust it because it doesn't need to be a massive Alpine Butterfly. And whenever you're not blocking a device, you're going to want to add in an extra carabiner into whatever the loop is. This Petzl Perfecto, so slightly smaller so it stays out of the way. Now, on the climbing side, as I pull this up, this is obviously going to raise this up to the limb, and you can see the small side is not blocked. The bigger side is the side I'm going to climb on. There we go.